This is another in our short series of videos detailing the techniques used during our CSI investigation day. This is a chemistry experiment. It's task 2, fingerprinting. The equipment used was an ink pad, which we purchased a number of from Amazon. A magnifier, this particular one is glass, but any decent magnifier will do. We also purchased some wine glasses from Tesco's and some good quality sellotape. We found that the cheaper brands of sellotape contained a lot of air bubbles and didn't work too well when lifting the prints, so we stuck to branded sellotape. We also had an example of scene of crime fingerprint powder to show the students. We tried this powder beforehand but found it very difficult to use, so we didn't use it in the end and we just used it to show the students. The scene of crime sundries can be obtained from www.tetrasock.com or just Google Tetra scene of crime. This task is looking at fingerprints, and the students use the ink pads to ink one of their fingers. Using a rolling action over the ink pad, and then use the same action to transfer the fingerprint to some plain paper. The fingerprint was then examined using the magnifier to identify the various loops and whorls. Using the same technique, fingerprints could be applied to some of the wine glasses, and the students were required to lift these prints using the sellotape. The sellotape is applied over the prints using a gentle but firm pressure, taking care not to smudge the prints. The tape can then be carefully removed and stuck down onto plain white paper, ready to be inspected again using the magnifier. The students could then lift prints from a variety of surfaces, noting the ease or difficulty in doing so.